Let's face it, asking a woman, "Did you come?" in the middle of intimacy is not only awkward, it can kill the moment. But here's the truth. Many women don't always feel comfortable being completely open about their desires or experiences. In fact, over 60% of women admit to faking orgasms at some point. So, how do you really know if you're satisfying her in the way she needs? How do you know if your bedroom skills are truly hitting the mark? Sex isn't about following a rigid checklist, but understanding how to tune into your partner's body and cues can make all the difference between a good experience and a mind-blowing one. You see, when you learn to read her body language, you'll know exactly when she's about to climax, and more importantly, when you're doing it right. And that's not just about ego, it's about giving her a level of pleasure that makes her come back for more, again and again. So if you're ready to understand the signs of real pleasure, let's dive into 5 surefire ways to know when your partner is about to experience the most intense orgasm of her life. Sign 1. Muscle contractions. When a woman is about to climax, her body will start to betray her in all the most delicious ways. The first thing you'll notice is a tightening of her muscles, especially in the pelvic region. It's not just about the pelvic muscles. When a woman approaches orgasm, her whole body starts to tense up in anticipation. This is the body's way of signaling that something amazing is about to happen. Keep a close eye on her body. If she arches her back, her chest rising, and every muscle seems to be drawn tight, she's on the brink. This isn't just a cue. This is her body telling you that you're doing something right. The more her body stays tense and locked in that sensual posture, the closer she is to the peak. And if she starts to relax and release those muscles, that's your cue to shift things up, explore new sensations, and keep the passion flowing. Sign 2. Heavy breathing and racing heart. Her heart will race. Her breathing will quicken. These are 2 of the most obvious signs that she's on the edge of something incredible. You might notice that her breath starts coming in shallow gasps, and her chest will rise and fall with each inhale. It's all happening fast, and you'll feel the urgency and the rhythm of her breathing. Want to know for sure? Slide your hand gently over her chest and feel for yourself. The faster her heartbeat, the closer she is to reaching that point of no return. Her body is going wild, and if you're paying attention, you'll know exactly how to move to keep her right on that edge. If her breathing picks up, you're in sync, so don't stop. Stay with her and let the rhythm build. Sign 3. She grabs the sheets and her legs shake. This one is a giveaway. As her orgasm draws closer, her body will want to release all that tension. You might notice her hands gripping the sheets, your arms, or even the headboard. Anything she can grab for support as her body starts to shake uncontrollably. Her legs, too, might quiver with pleasure, trembling like she's trying to hold on to something, anything, as the waves of ecstasy roll through her. This isn't just a random reaction, it's an involuntary response to the intensity of the sensation. When her legs begin to tremble and her hands clutch at anything within reach, she's getting closer to the moment of release. That's your cue to keep doing what you're doing, applying just the right pressure and rhythm to bring her to the ultimate peak. Sign 4. The sex flush. As her pleasure intensifies, you may notice a sudden rush of color sweeping across her skin. The sex flush happens when blood flow increases to certain areas of her body, causing her skin, especially on her chest, face, and breasts, to flush with a beautiful, vibrant red. This happens as the blood vessels dilate, and you can almost feel the heat radiating off her skin. If she has lighter skin, you'll see it more clearly, but it happens in everyone. It's a natural response to sexual arousal. Watch for that deepening color on her face, chest, and especially her labia. If it becomes darker, you're definitely in the zone. This is a clear sign that she's nearing climax, so don't slow down now. In fact, if you're lucky enough to see this sign, it means you've been doing something right. Sign 5. Verbal feedback. When she's approaching climax, her body is telling you everything you need to know, but don't forget that her voice can also guide you. Some women will tell you exactly how they feel in the heat of the moment. You may hear her gasp, whisper, or even say things like, "Wow, that feels amazing," or "Right there, don't stop." These verbal cues are like a roadmap to her pleasure, clear signals that you're on the right track. When you hear these words, don't even think about changing what you're doing. Stay consistent, keep the pressure where it's working, and let her take the lead. She knows what she wants and is simply trying to guide you to give it to her. The more you listen to these verbal cues, the better you'll become at navigating the intricacies of her pleasure. Conclusion. So, now you know what to look for. Her muscles, her heart, her breath, her skin. These are all powerful clues that will tell you when she's about to climax. When you're tuned into these signs, you'll know that you're on the right track, and that confidence is key to delivering unforgettable moments of pleasure. But remember, it's not just about focusing on the moment of orgasm. The journey to get there is just as important. Make sure to build up that tension before the physical part begins. Flirting, teasing, and emotionally connecting will create that heat between you that makes the eventual release all the more intense. So, the next time you're in the bedroom, don't rely on awkward questions. Let her body guide you. Learn these signs, keep your attention sharp, and soon, you'll be the one who's always giving her exactly what she needs, leaving her coming back for more, craving you every time.